Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to annotate screenshots in the Snipping tool in Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Snipping tool. Click on the app to open it. Next, click the New button and capture any area of your screen using rectangle snip. Once the screenshot is captured, it will open in the Snipping tool window. To annotate the screenshot, click the Pen tool at the top. You can draw, write, or mark important areas on the image. If you want to highlight text or a specific section, click the highlighter tool and drag over the area you want to emphasize. If you make a mistake, click the eraser tool and remove any unwanted annotations. You can also use the crop tool to trim the screenshot and keep only the part you need. After finishing your annotations, click the Save icon in the top right corner. Choose a folder, enter a file name, and click Save. The annotation tools in Snipping tool are very useful for creating tutorials, explaining screenshots, highlighting important information, or adding quick notes. That's it. This is how to annotate screenshots in the Snipping tool in Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.